Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars, sportsmen, professionals and officials, the most respected present Prime Minister and Dr. Narendra Modi ji, availability of officials, administrators, ministers and doctors. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all heartily, cordially. It is really praiseworthy and appreciable moment of our life that we are listening the truth through science and spirituality. Through the basics of our life, we must go through the realities of life, and we should remember our present. Wherever, whenever we go, one power is always with us, that is accepted by Swami Vivekananda, who was the greatest social reformer, and he is also present always with us in the form of light and sound, who addressed the whole world by saying that supernatural power in the form of nature, he is always everywhere with us. Whether we are anywhere in the world, that power, that supernatural power and spiritual power never goes away from us. We can recreate, regenerate, return, reform that power just by repetition of the chants of the words of God. This is the power in the words of God which creates, which heals us, which recovers us from the anxieties, anger, frustration, depression of our body and mind, and above it, that spiritual saint who came on this earth to address the whole world. He started his journey for addressing the whole people by saying, brothers and sisters, on the land of Chicago in 1893, where there were a number of scholars, numberless persons from the world of education. He really admired the Indian culture, how our culture is the culture of initiators, beginners, starters. So we must keep our mind in present for showing the actualities, realities of our culture, custom and language. Our ancient culture, which is the icon of our youth, our land, which is totally dependent, which is independent, and it is said that our culture, our country is the agriculturist country. Throughout the world, every man love the motherland. So Swamiji recreated this thing on this land, and the spiritual saint, educational saint, Swami Keshwanand ji, you are watching them in this picture, how they are being, how the students, disciples are being addressed by that personality who was the hero of education, who was the actor of education, and he addressed by being a great warrior, by being a great social reformer, national freedom fighter, who brought revolutionary and visionary change in our education, in the field of poor people of our villages, not only villages but those who were poor in education. He brought a great change. He brought a revolutionary and remarkable, outstanding, matchless, incompetent change in our rustic people, those who belong to the village, those persons who were just spending their life only for hand to mouth. They were taught by Swamiji for leading the satisfactory life. Life is the name of compassion, sympathy, humanity, brotherhood. Social and moral values are taught by this spiritual saint for the upliftment and betterment of our society and nation. He brought and he did his efforts that are unturned now, and he addressed the people that unheard is more powerful than heard, unaddressed is more powerful than addressed. So we should remember that it's the strong and great identity of our culture and custom. We must remember it in our actions, time and place, for the growth of our nation, for the growth of our different departments of economy, politics, social society. He was the multi-dimensional personality, multi-sided and multifaceted personality. He is always omnipotent, omnipresent and omniscient. He always remembers, he always reminds those people, those who are sacrificing their life for getting the truth of education. All the researchers, scientists, research scholars, those who are doing research, those who are devoting and dedicating their time in doing something better and greater for the nation. He is really gave a great platform to perform for the humanity. He is remembered forever. His education, his words, his ideas are forever with us. As Swamiji strongly proclaimed that one idea can change the whole world, the whole scenario of our thought. So like that, one idea can bring betterment and upliftment of our personal, professional, national, social life. This one has the greatest power. So in this present time, Swami Vivekananda, Swami Keshwananda and Pranayama, Dhyana, Yoga and Asana, all these are the great therapies, all these are the great treatments. Bottom to top, root to fruit, it provides the healthy generation, it provides the healthy thought and ideas, facilities to the futuristic generation. If we feel that we are to be the national and social heritage for the strongness, rigidity and frigidity of our cultures, for the unforgettable time, we must be dedicated and devoted towards the nature. As the persons are sitting under the guidance and supervision of Swami Keshwananda, and the nature is very friendly and familiar with them. They are sitting in very simple costume, they are in their simple dresses. Swamiji himself is also feeling very comfortable and friendly with nature while providing the true education to the disciples. So we can understand the value of education, the value of our ancient culture, which is the bank balance in the form of values. We are being kept everywhere in the whole world. Wherever Swamiji went, he provided wholeheartedly, physically, mentally, emotionally, and even above it spiritually. So it is the matter of spirit or soul that Swamiji brought for the upliftment of our villages. The surrounding area of this institution is really uplifted and battered by the great values, moral values, spiritual values, by the fragrance of this great saint's education. He was the true saint who always made us able to create the greatness of our nation. Even around this area, these are the religious people who are getting name fame in the different fields of science, spirituality, religion, commerce, arts, and even in engineering. Swamiji established a number of institutions for the moral and spiritual values, for the betterment and upliftment of the moral character. As Swami Vivekananda, who went in America and addressed the whole people that my country is known by the character, not by colors. So like that, like him, Swami Keshwanand was also impressed and influenced by that personality and brought an oceanic change by wearing the Indian posture. In the garb of Indian costume and posture, he showed his originality of spirituality, spiritual science, which is the utmost and superb in the whole world. So those who are listening, I thank, welcome God and the grace of God, who is providing us everlasting soothing effect in the environment of nature. Nature, which is the true worshipper, and Swami Keshwanand was also the priest of nature. Not only priest of nature he was, but he was the priest and worshipper of education. So for promoting this area, Swamiji brought an revolutionary and oceanic change. I greatly, heartily thanks with the praiseworthy, admirable and appreciable words. Thanks a lot.